Hello everyone, welcome to my sixth video entry in the Typing Math in Microsoft Word playlist. And today we're going to be looking at the essence of typing summations, products, and integrals today. Remember first that in order to insert an equation in Microsoft Word, you have to press these two buttons at the same time, either this version for Macintosh or this version for Windows. So let's get started. For discrete summation notation, we use the capital letter sigma, which corresponds to the Greek letter of S, and we use it this way because S is the first letter in the word sum. It also noticeably looks very jagged, which is how we describe discrete things. There are gaps in the parts of the object we are looking at. So here is how you type it out. I have two versions here, an abridged and a normal version. You will notice that space bars are used a lot. That is very important. So let us demonstrate. I will go through this slowly now. I'm going to press Control and equal at the same time. I've generated the equation. Now I am going to press the / button and type in sum. I now press the spacebar key once. This gets Microsoft Word to register the symbol. Now I press the spacebar again. It enlarges the symbol to make it fairly visible. And now the rest is trivial. I just simply press the A button and then make the subscript symbol using Shift minus key, then N, and then press spacebar, and we are done. Let us go now to the discrete product notation. It's described with a capital Pi, and obviously for the same reason as sum, because P is the first letter of the word product. And instead of typing / sum, we type in / product, or rather PROD. And the same thing applies, so let me do it right now. Control equals, then I press / PROD, press it one time on the spacebar to make it register the symbol, another time to enlarge it, and now A sub n. Voila, we're done. Now finally, we have the integral and antiderivative notation. There are two key symbols that students often get confused with. It's usually the dx and the elongated swirly sign, which is actually an S. So the dx just represents a very small increment whose limit approaches 0. It's a very small change in width, defining an area function. And well, it being an elongated S basically means that what the integral gives you is a sum for a continuous function, and that's exactly what it does. It finds the area underneath the curve. So let us go and type it out. Again, Control equals. Now we type in / and the integral sign. And once again, two space bars. F of x dx. And that's it. So before we go, I'm going to give a quick comprehensive meme on understanding summation versus integration. I hope you enjoy this. Ta-da! Basically, taking a summation of a sequence is kind of like dealing or eating or scooping like a bunch of crushed ice, because it's all nice and chunky. On the other hand, if you're dealing with the integral, which is like the limits of a sum, which is really, really smooth and fine out, you kind of get something that's really nice and smooth, like water, for instance. So there's my attempt at a meme. And that's it for this entry. Please stay tuned for another video where I will go and type out specific formulas using the sigma, summation, pi product, and indefinite integral notation. And I'll be showing you most importantly, how to introduce upper and lower bounds to your big operators. Until then, I hope you have a pleasant day.